Welcome to the tutorial video of Tiger Mirrorsync. Let's get started now. Step 1. Download and launch Tiger Mirrorsync from our official website to get started. Step 2. Open Tiger Mirrorsync. Choose Wi-Fi or USB connection. If you prefer Wi-Fi, follow these steps. Click Wi-Fi, access your phone's home screen and swipe down. Tap Screen Mirror, select Tiger Mirror and initiate mirroring. If you select USB, connect your computer and phone using a data cable. Begin screen mirroring instantly. Step 3. Control your phone with computer mouse. After selecting the mouse icon, press Alt and Enter to utilize the computer mouse for phone control. Click the scissors icon for screenshots. Tap the camera icon for screen recording. View your captures by clicking Open Folder. Congratulations! You've mastered Tiger Mirrorsync. Thank you for watching.